Hi, little mama here. Today we're reviewing the Walker's Razor Ultra Low Profile electronic earmuffs. My husband uses these at the gun range, so I'm gonna let him tell you all about it.
These are the Walker's Razor, and I love these. These are great. These were recommended to me by a friend of mine, and I've been using them when I go to the gun range. It works great. It's got this little volume control here where you can, this is a power button too, so you turn it on and you can adjust the volume for how loud you want to hear what's going on around you, basically the talking. What it does is it allows you, it's got a microphone, so it allows you to hear people talking at normal volume basically, but it suppresses the loud bangs, explosions from the gun that you're shooting. So it protects your ears that way, and you can still have a conversation. So if you got two people using these things, it's great because you can talk in normal volume, hear everything that's going on, but not damage your ears. So really recommend it. It's comfortable to use. It's got this padding here. It uses, let me see, I think it was two AAA batteries right here. So it's got the little cover. You can put two AAA batteries in there, and that's all you need. And batteries last a long time. I haven't even had to replace them really too much. So it's pretty good. You can adjust it to the size that you want to. Recommend it. Get some, protect your ears.
And these are little mama approved. Thanks for watching.